Hey, this is Michelle MacPhearson, and today we're going to look at a non-traditional method of getting your freebie or demo stuff out there so that you can reach new people, build a list, or otherwise just find people who wouldn't otherwise be exposed to your product. And what this is distributing your files on the BitTorrent networks. And so the first thing that you want to do is go to bitcomet.com, and you'll go here. And then you want to go ahead and click the download link. And we're going to download the BitComet client, which is what allows you to create files that you can then distribute through the torrent networks. So you want to go ahead and click the download link, and it's going to take you to download.com. And then you go ahead and click the download now button. Select a place to save your file. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. And it's going to go ahead and download. Once it's downloaded, you will want to go to wherever you saved it, unpack it, and install the software. Now, once you've got BitComet installed, I want you to open it on up. And what we're going to do is create a new torrent. And to do that, you go ahead and click Make, and then you find your source file. And what I've done is already zipped my file. And for the tracker down here, put in this one. This is what we're going to use: http://vip.tracker.thepiratebay.org/announce. And then you can go head on to publisher and add your publisher details if you want. And once you're done, you go ahead and click OK. Now what this does is add your file to your downloads, and then you need to double click it. And what that does is apparently it tells the torrents that you have the file, and so people can go ahead and upload it or download it from you. Then we need to go over to the piratebay.org and create an account. So the web address here is thepiratebay.org, and you want to go ahead and click register, and we're going to register for an account. You can select your username, email, password, and enter the image code, etc. And then you'll go ahead and click register. And it's going to tell you that a confirmation email has been sent. You need to read it and follow the instructions. So go ahead and drop into your email, and I think it's just a confirmation link that you need to click. Okay, your confirmation link has been clicked, and you will get this page that says your registration's done. And then you want to go ahead and click the login button and enter in the username and password that you selected. You'll get in a page with your account information. You want to go ahead and click Upload Torrent. And this is going to tell everybody else where that torrent that we just made is. So you'll go ahead and select the file that you just created with BitComet and select Open. For your torrent name, you want to use something that explains what it is that you've got, but also is interesting. So my software that I'm uploading right now a demo of is called Tubinator, but nobody knows what that means. So I'm going to go ahead and actually call it YouTube Popularity Software. And then I'm going to put not for release, because this is still in demo. And so it isn't for sale or anything yet, although it will be shortly, and I'm releasing this demo as a way to gather a list of people who want to buy it. Select the category of your thing. Mine is going to be applications, Windows, because it's software, but there's also, ebooks down here, pictures, if it's a game, videos, audio, etc. So if you've got songs or ebooks that you want to contribute and gather traffic from, you can go ahead and put whatever you want, whatever's applicable. And then you want to go ahead and put in a description of what you're uploading. And again, make this, somewhat interesting. Talk about benefits, that kind of thing. If you're uploading music, or if you're uploading a special report, and the work that you're doing is similar to the work of somebody who's really well known, go ahead and include that person's name. Say, you know, it's a lot like so-and-so, because that will come up in searches and people will find your work more because it's similar to what, or excuse me, because it's associated with the name of somebody who's very popular. So that's a big, big tip right there. If you can't associate it with something that is popular, then do so. Don't lie. People will just end up irritated and disappointed. But if you can't associate it with something that people are actively searching for, then do so. And then you go ahead and enter in your code here and click upload. You'll end up at this page where your torrent is shown. You can see right now it's been downloaded 0 times. There's no seeders or leechers. It will eventually connect to what you've done over in BitComet up here. And here it says that there's one person with it, which is you. And eventually, you know, the Pirate Bay will talk to what you've done here at BitComet, and people will start downloading your file. And you can always monitor what's going on with these numbers here, or you can go ahead and go on over to the Pirate Bay and refresh the page and see what people have done. So that is how you do it. Make sure that what you do as far as the name is descriptive so that people know what they're getting. Make it enticing so that people, when they see it in the list of files, want to download it, and you'll be all set. I hope that you take advantage of this method. It really can bring you lots and lots and lots of traffic from people who wouldn't have otherwise found you. Thank you for your time. Have fun with your torrents. Bye-bye.